today our dish is Rawalpindi chole. So in our cooking, everyone's cooking, the first very important ingredient is love. So we should always cook with love, and that's what I do always. I love cooking and I really enjoy my cooking. So let me start with the first step. As I mentioned, we need to soak chanas overnight, the chickpeas. Overnight we need to soak, and we will add plenty of, like 1 full cup in 500 gram of chana we will add. And this is our green chilies. Both chilies are optional, how much you want. And both we will add in our boiling, when we are going to boil chanas. And along with that, I add 1 spoon of chana masala. This is because the chana will soak nicely the masala, but we are adding very little. And along with that, I am adding a pinch of black salt, little ajwain, and mango powder, but very little quantity, this much only. So let's go and start cooking. These are the chanas where I just opened the cooker and I transferred it in this. This is, I removed the tea bags. I use 6 tea bags in 500 grams. Half I already cooked and half chanas are this one. So this is only with, this color is with 6 tea bags and 1 spoon of chana masala. And along with that, I put this ginger, julienne, and chilies. So now I'm going to add masala. In this chana, we need little more masala and little more oil. So I will use to fry this oil, this onion. So I will just increase, because we need very hot oil for these chanas. So in this, I am going to add now chana masala. I will add this 4 spoons of this, because we need nicely coated chana with masalas. And this is our pomegranate powder. This I brought from India and very fresh, very good. This I always keep in store in my refrigerator. So this one also we need for our pindi chana. Mango powder, pomegranate powder. This also we are adding little more, because the taste will give very good. And this garam masala, this is homemade garam masala. This we will add at the end. This homemade garam masala, I'm using all these things. First I roast it nicely and then I grind it. So only nutmeg is missing in this, because nutmeg I used already. And pinch of hing. Pinch of hing we used for this one, but I have already added. So these 3 ingredients now I will put in this. Mango powder, pinch of black salt, and ajwain. Actually, this need to be keep very slow fire, but we don't have time, but still we have time, say about 20-25 minutes. So by the time I will fry my onions in this. But the oil should be very hot. Still we need little more hot oil. And this is the last Kashmiri chili I will add to this this onion fry.
Because this gives the color.
And yeah, this gives the color. And this is our secret. This very less people are doing this. I have 1 full bulb of garlic I boiled, and then I stained this with the half of water I kept, and now see only this much concentrated water we have. So this at the last I will put in the chanas.
The garlic is with the skin.
Huh?
Garlic is with the
garlic
skin.
is with the skin. Just we are crushing. I washed the garlic and I crushed, and with the skin only we are boiling this. We need very, very red, very hot oil for this one. Normally, last we need to put the oil only. But since I have made for many years, I have started using onion with this, and give this onion, only very small onion for 500 gram chana will be sufficient. This is little more, but we will add to this. Will give very, very, very good taste, but nothing else. Tomatoes and circle onions we will use for garnishing later. If anyone, until now, anyone want to ask any question, can ask. Unmute me. This, of course, this oil is a bit more, but we need for these chana, we really need little bit more oil than our normal cooking. Normal cooking, we don't use this much oil, but for these chanas, we need little more oil. So that's why we are using oil. If anyone they don't want to use onion, it's okay. Only at the end they can put this oil at the top of chanas, and then chanas, and with this oil, the chanas will be very nicely coated with masalas and give very yummy taste. And at the end, we will give garlic and then cover it for 5 or 10 minutes, and then it is ready to eat with bhatura or puri. This Indian fried bread, Indian
garlic naan.
Garlic naan.
What was in the garam masala that you had? The sabit garam masala?
Yeah, Didi, this nutmeg. I always take 1 or 2 pieces of nutmeg, and this big ilaichi, the small green cardamom, black pepper, jeera, this cumin seeds, and cinnamon stick, and this bay leaf, and cloves, and black pepper. This I'm roasting it very nicely, like very nicely. We need to roast it and let it be dry, cool down, and then we can grind it.
So you're going to put this in the tadka when the onions are a little brown?
No, Didi. This just I get for garam masala, because this we didn't mention in our. This is my homemade garam masala. So this you see the color. The color is very good color.
Okay, so you're not going to put sabit garam masala. You
No. At the end, we will use this garam masala only. And the taste, the fragrance of this masala is very, very good. If we are making at home, and if we are buying ready-made, this is very good fragrance.
Fragrance as well as very healthy.
Yeah, and we don't need this much. If we will put this much also, this much, this will be enough for chana, because the fragrance and the sharpness of this masala will be very good. Homemade.
Yeah, my mom always used to make fresh also. Yeah, it makes a big difference.
Yes.
Jyoti, which brand you use this masala?
No, this is Didi homemade. She made
No,
herself.
chana masala.
Didi, chana masala, that recipe is in the our recipe we shared now. But otherwise, if you don't have chana masala, you can't make this much ingredient. That also you need to roast and make masala. So you can use
MDH or
MDH I don't like. Everest. Everest. chana
Everest.
masala.
Okay. Yeah, because I
chana-
use Everest. Yeah.
Yeah, Everest is very good. Otherwise, this our what we mentioned in our recipe.
Okay. Okay.
That
Yeah, that
masala.
is, I think better I will use Everest.
These onions we need to fry like crispy red. We need
Okay.
to make absolutely red. So I
Okay.
will increase this chana heat also. See, the without masala and with masala, the chana color is very nice now. If we need to keep at least half an hour slow flame after adding this also. But
Jyoti, just
I'm
1 second. Just one
Yes.
second. I want to make a quick announcement. Just to let everyone know that this will be publicized on YouTube. So if you don't want, your photo to appear on public video, then please mute your video as you're asking questions. Okay. Thank you so much. And if you don't mind, then it's okay. You can keep it on.
Okay. Okay.
And by the way, I'll take you to my dining table and show. I tried making bhatura. This I used 3 types of. I use salmonella and atta and whole-purpose flour and ajwain and salt, and I fried it. And this one I already fried because I had to do much work. So I already fried 4 o'clock, and until now it is like good fluffy. And this is our ready chana. This is how it will be when it is ready. The texture, the color will be like this. So we normally I garnish like small this and like
sliced
tomato and onions. You can otherwise this is with red chili powder and salt and lemon, and this is our chutney, mint chutney. And normally in India they eat bhatura chana puri with yogurt. So this is our bundi raita. In Hindi it is called bundi raita. This is also made up of chana powder, the small balls. I added only black salt and
coriander
coriander leaves and cumin, roasted cumin, black. You have to roast till black, and black salt and cumin seeds. That's all. This gives lovely, yummy flavor for the raita. We don't need to add so many chaat masala, this, that, according to your taste, but only cumin seeds roasted nicely and crush it and black salt. These 2 things mixed together, I kept it in the bottle, both two ingredients, and I always use for yogurt. So this is now going to be red very soon. We need very, very crispy red onions for this chana. And then I will add this chili powder. But this is Kashmiri chili powder only.
To give the color.
Huh?
Degi mirch.
Degi mirch. This is actually degi mirch. See, now it is, the chana is taking the masala nicely. This I am frying in 9 only. We need more hot fire, like high fire for frying these onions. And our Julian, this ginger also Julian cut. See, very thin. We need very thin. So this my helper. She is very good in cutting. I'm really blessed to have her. Any type of cutting, she is doing marvelous. So this normally I am adding more because ginger is very, very good for health, and this has many benefits, health benefits. So we normally also we use lot of ginger in our cooking. So this is now, see, very red, and this gives very good color to our chanas and flavor. So I am adding full this one because I didn't put any other chili except green chili in our chana. And now we will add this. I'll just put it off that. See the color of our chana. So thereabouts, it is already when I opened the cooker and I kept it on the fire slow, medium flame. Already 40 minutes it is now. So if you have time, you can put more. And now I'm going to add this concentrated like this boiled garlic. So after adding this, we need 10 minutes more, 10 to 15 minutes if you have time. So you can keep more time for this and cover our chana. And I would love to add this time also little, we will do garnishing, but I always keep on adding my julienne ginger and green chilies because this flavor will give very good flavor. And now I will add 1 spoon of this much, this small spoon only I used. So this much.
What is this you didn't say?
This much of garam masala is sufficient for our chana. So this is all 90% it is ready. Check the color of our chana.
Very nice.
And before
Yeah,
when
looking good. It's looking very good.
I will share 2 pictures when I started boiling and when I opened the cooker. And today I smiled alone myself because all 6 tea bags were like sleeping at the top only. So I was smiling, and I have to search for my tea bags. But today all 6 tea bags were at the top. So this is our chanas are almost ready, and this is. If anyone has any question, because I didn't forget anything. Now garnishing also we can do very nice garnishing with the onion
Slice
I
onion
want
and top.
to ask Jyoti how much garlic we have to put the juice.
Garlic. One full bulb I took.
Okay.
Like one full, yeah, one full bulb.
Okay.
Like I took full.
Okay.
And that you need to put along with chilka only.
Yeah.
This chilka I did not remove. I did not remove. This water also we can use. Just stain and we can use. But today enough for that.
This is the main secret ingredient, no?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's the main.
I think so.
This is the main secret ingredient.
I heard first time this, yeah.
And I want to eat quickly.
I must tell you this. This is actually restaurant's secret, and
Yes.
this Pooja Khanna, she's with us. She shared with me when Maharaji was coming to Bahrain. I told her I'm going to make pindi chana for him. And then she said, Didi, if you are making pindi chana for him, pindi chole, so just I will give you one tip. And this I started from December 18 when Maharaji came and I cooked for him this, and he really liked it. This chana, he said, when he came to our hotel for the conference, while serving dinner for him, he said, "Today chanas were very nice. Who cooked this chana?" I was just like this, "Maharaji, you only cooked." So this
That
ingredient,
is secret, yeah, really secret.
yeah, this last secret I never shared with anyone. First time I'm sharing it with this group because I feel very happy, and this is Pooja's secret.
Good, very
Hey,
nice.
wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Thank you, thank you.
See, this is
I
now
wanted to
oil.
ask you, in summary,
beautiful.
the masalas, Jyoti, in summary,
Yeah.
the masalas you have in there, when you boiled it with 6 tea bags, 500 grams of chole, and then you
Yes.
added ginger and
Yeah,
chilies,
this full cup I added before. And,
ginger,
this
chilies,
is-
and what
yeah,
else when you were boiling?
Only ginger and
only 1 spoon. No, ginger, green chili, 1 spoon of chana masala. Only 1 spoon. Because we need something before also.
Okay,
While
and
boiling,
what
can
is in
take,
the recipe? What is in the recipe of the chana masala?
Didi, that is we have mentioned in our message. If you want, I will tell you. I will send this chana masala.
Okay, okay. Yeah, send it separately so we know what goes into it. But just generally, what kind of things are in it? Just so that the people in the video can know.
Yeah, let me take my phone. These same things only: ajwain, jeera, this cumin seeds, same things only. Little mango powder and same things only. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Because
Coriander
this I
seeds,
made,
anardana.
I just make, yeah, chana masala, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, almost same like our garam masala. Cumin seeds 1 spoon and coriander seeds. Coriander seeds are there also. Other
Pomegranate.
yeah.
Yeah, but
That's
is it
grinded.
The whole
is it
whole
whole?
coriander
Is it
dry
sabit?
seeds.
Pardon?
Is it sabit or is it ground?
Sabut, whole. This all for chana masala when we are grinding. All we are taking whole things only. And pomegranate seeds, I am not adding in chana masala because I am using it separately. But otherwise, we can add a teaspoon of dry mango powder and red chili powder. Red chili whole we can take, or you can add little black salt and almost same. These masalas are almost same as a garam masala, but the difference is only little bit mango powder is added in that, and like that, ajwain and cumin seeds like that. Otherwise, almost same. Yeah.
Okay, so we're adding whole jeera, whole ajwain, whole all these things. Okay, and while
Yes,
you're
yes.
boiling it.
Yeah, whole coriander and cinnamon stick. This is this also you need to little roast it or make it hot and then
Okay,
grind
okay,
it.
got it. Okay, send us the recipe for chana masala separately. Okay.
Chanam, okay, Didi. Okay.
Okay.
Now you can
And pinch of
invite them.
yeah. See, now it is more and more.
Now we are coming to eat, Jyoti. We are coming to eat now.
Yeah, you are Didi here only. You can come.
That's what I was saying.
Yeah, I am on the way, Jyoti Didi, coming home.
Coming home.
So see, now our chanas are.
Yeah.
Yeah, so nice. What?
So I will
Jyoti
reduce
Didi,
it.
one question I have.
Yes.
If I don't have pomegranate powder, can I use lemon juice or
No,
it's needed?
you can take from me because we need for this chana. We need only pomegranate masala. This grinded only.
Not
So
even
this-
imli? That imli?
No.
No, that
This chana, no. This is special Punjabi chana like
chana,
from
okay.
Amritsar or Rawalpindi. Like
So we
this
have to bring from India.
Oh, but it really looks yummy.
Jyoti, one
Yeah.
more question. So for
Yes.
us where we don't have the pomegranate powder, can we buy pomegranates and dry them and just grind the seeds?
Yeah.
Yes, I think we can do rest. Puja
Yes,
can
we
tell.
can do it. Definitely, we can do it.
Yeah.
Yes, because
Definitely we can
Indians
do
as
it.
well do that in their recipe, so you can definitely do that.
The color of this is so fresh. I think the fresh we can dry and we can make it like coarsely. This is coarse powder, not very very fine. So this
Papa,
is
why don't you focus on the bowl to show the texture?
yeah. See, this is
Okay.
because with this pindi
This
chole is
is
without
not
without
full
this cannot be. So Neha, who all are in Bahrain can take from me. I have too much stock.
I'm definitely going to have pindi chole for dinner, so I don't have to worry about the masalas.
So let's now our cameraman will taste and tell us how it is. What I kept ready for him. Dalo dono. I'm really I feel sorry. Like I wish I could feed everyone with this. Really, I would love to. I
want to come and
Oh,
join
so
you.
sweet of you, Jyoti.
Thank you for the demo.
Just say you're all are invited. Sorry.
Okay, they're just teasing us.
Yeah. पानी आ गया मुंह में.
नहीं दीदी मैं आपको तो I will drop for Neha and for you.
How is it, Papa?
The chanas are very well coated with the masala, what Mummy was saying. Tastes very yummy. It tastes like, very similar to the chanas what we get in Delhi, especially, when you go to Paharganj, the prominent areas of Bhatura Chole. This is excellent. Very nice.
And by the way, my husband is the hotelier from, I think he has more 40, 42, 45 years experience of hotel. And if anytime my friends, they invite us for dinner or lunch, they really looked at his face. If he will say, okay, done, their cooking is awesome. So, मैं तो घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर हूँ.
नहीं मैंने खाया है ज्योति. मैंने खाया है आपका. Very nice it was. छोले भटूरे. हाँ.
Good.
अरे ज्योति, your husband is saying such good things, तो आप क्यों कह रहे हो दाल बराबर?
No. Our cooking is amazing.
उसका खाया है मैंने खाना. बहुत ही अच्छे बनाए थे छोले भटूरे. I know. He cooks very nice.
No.
You should
So,
accept
Didi,
Grace's compliment, Jyoti.
Hanji?
I said you should accept with grace his compliment and think Master's guiding your hand and making it delicious for everyone.
Thank you, Didi. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I kept ready everything because I really wanted to show everyone that, and we will not waste our time also. That's why one bowl is ready, like what. But those chanas are absolutely ready now because already 40, 45. This chana need more low flame. We should need cook on low flame when we are adding this also masalas that time also, and before when we are boiling, after one whistle on high flame, I always put it in the low flame. So this chanas needs total time to more than 2 hours, 2.5 hours to cook, because very patiently we need to cook this.
That I cannot do, Jyoti. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Jyoti. You've done a very professional job. I have one more question.
So much, Jyoti Didi.
I learned this from my neighbor when I was, my daughter was very young, and she had put one other ingredient in here, and that was kasuri methi. So you don't put kasuri methi in this?
I don't use, but I have seen people using very little, like half spoon of kasuri methi also you can. But this other masalas are giving such a lovely taste to this. I think we don't need kasuri methi for pindi.
Actually, Didi, actually kasuri methi used in Punjabi chole, and this is not Punjabi chole, na?
This is pindi chole.
This is pindi chana, and Punjabi chana is different.
Okay.
Yeah, when we are using onion and tomato masala, when we are
a
adding,
lot of onion and tomatoes.
absolutely right.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, so when you make Punjabi chole with
Yeah.
onions, tomatoes, that's when you put the kasuri methi.
Yes,
Kasuri
yes,
methi.
yes. Then
Okay,
we are
got it.
adding turmeric powder, also little turmeric powder, other masalas like coriander
Yes.
powder to that. And then we don't have to use this chana masala. Then we can buy ready-made chana masala and 1 spoon of, because in that ginger, garlic, onion, tomato, we are frying nicely in Punjabi
Yeah.
chole.
Yeah, in
So
Punjab.
we don't need special this grounded chana masala only for that.
In that
Okay,
case, and
Jyoti,
excuse me, Didi, in that case, everybody use imli.
Imli.
Yeah,
हाँ.
imli.
Chana,
In that we use
you
imli.
can
Yeah.
use imli, but
Yeah.
in pindi chana, that pomegranate seeds is very necessary.
Yeah.
okay, wonderful. Jyoti, you have to make a trip to Chicago so that the whole langar can eat this. You know, it's not fair. It's not fair.
Yeah, this is all Maharaji
Chicago,
Seva. This is all. I really in our ashram also curry and chana, dal makhani. This is only Jyoti has to make this prasad. These 3 things. Otherwise, we have our Sindhi group here, and they cook very nice Sindhi curry and many things. But for Punjabi dish, Punjabi langar, Jyoti is ready always.
Yeah, there's
We
one
miss
thing
that
I've noticed.
prasad now.
That Sindhi people and Punjabi people, we love to eat, we love to cook, and we cook very well.
Eating, yeah. Eating every time. Thinking about eating. Thinking
That's
about eating
hard,
only.
work hard to reduce our weight.
Yeah, folks, we have like 4 minutes left on this one, so just to let you know.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, Jyoti, nice
Thank
it
you,
was.
Jyoti Didi.
Meet you all, Didi.
Thank you so much, Jyoti. Do you want to show us the chole one last time?
Yes.
Show us the chole as they're looking now.
With puri.
Yummy.
And see now,
Neha.
Now I can see it.
Already it is too much like melting with masala. So it's lovely. Yeah.
Okay, great.
Okay, great. Okay, nice to meet you all.
You did a very professional job and you finished in time. Thank you so much. We're very grateful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Jyoti.
Maharaj.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Bye, Masi.
Bye.